Is your check engine light glaring at you right before your emissions test, threatening you with a massive repair bill? Don't panic and take it to the mechanic just yet, because the fix might just come in a bottle. I spent the last few months personally testing the top-selling fuel and exhaust system cleaners in various vehicles with different degrees of carbon buildup, catalytic converter codes, and sputtering engines. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which product will actually clear your codes and save you hundreds of dollars in repair costs, and which ones are just expensive snake oil. 7. Rislone 4720. When I first grabbed this iconic dual-cavity bottle off the shelf, I was intrigued by its promise to basically scrub everything from the gas tank down to the tailpipe. It is designed as a comprehensive system treatment, aiming to tackle buildup throughout the entire combustion cycle. The design is quite unique, featuring two separate fluids that mix only when you pour them into your gas tank. It claims to lower unburned hydrocarbon emissions and smooth out rough idles by targeting fuel injectors, combustion chambers, and the catalytic converter simultaneously. The idea of getting a multi-stage cleaning process from a single purchase is certainly appealing for anyone trying to maintain an aging daily driver. During my testing on a 2012 Honda Civic with a stubborn P0420 code, I followed the instructions perfectly, pouring the entire bottle into a half-full tank and taking it for a long, spirited highway drive. Initially, I did notice that the idle smoothed out slightly, suggesting that the upper cylinder cleaning agents were at least doing their job in the intake manifold and on the valves. However, as I continued to drive and monitor the live data on my OBD2 scanner, the limitations of this formula became rather apparent. Despite burning through the entire treated tank of fuel, the check engine light flickered back on within 70 miles, showing that the Rislone just didn't have the chemical muscle to adequately unclog a heavily fouled catalytic converter. It felt like the formula was spread too thin, trying to do too many things at once. While it does offer some mild cleaning properties and might serve well as a routine maintenance additive every few thousand miles, it simply lacks the punch needed for serious emission control issues. 6. Royal Purple Max Clean. Royal Purple has built an incredibly loyal fan base in the automotive world, renowned for their high-performance synthetic oils, so I had rather high expectations when I decided to test their flagship fuel and emission system cleaner on a high-mileage pickup truck. Max Clean is marketed as a state-of-the-art synthetic cleaner, designed to deeply penetrate and remove carbon deposits from fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. The manufacturer claims it will restore fuel economy and significantly reduce hydrocarbon, NOx, and CO emissions, making it sound like an absolute powerhouse on paper for someone trying to pass a strict smog inspection. I poured the recommended dosage into a full tank of premium gas and set off on a comprehensive road trip to let the chemicals circulate under sustained engine load. I was genuinely pleased to see a small but measurable bump in my miles per gallon after about 200 miles, which confirmed that the fuel atomization was definitely improving and the fuel injectors were getting a much-needed scrub down. But when we focus strictly on its emission control capabilities, my testing left me feeling a bit underwhelmed. The formula is highly aggressive, which sounds great for cleaning, but I found that on significantly older engines with excessive carbon buildup, it tends to break loose large chunks of carbon that can momentarily overwhelm the oxygen sensors. This actually caused a temporary spike in poor running conditions and rough idling before it managed to work its way out of the tailpipe. Furthermore, the premium price tag attached to the Royal Purple brand name makes it a tough pill to swallow when you consider it as primarily a premium fuel system cleaner rather than a dedicated exhaust or catalytic converter treatment. 5. Cataclean 12007. This product has practically become synonymous with passing smog tests, and I was eager to see if the original liquid formula still lived up to its towering reputation in the automotive community after all these years on the market. Cataclean sets itself apart by using a very specific blend of solvents that are designed to survive the intense heat of the combustion process. This means the cleaning agents travel straight into the exhaust manifold and catalytic converter to actively break down hardened resin and carbon deposits. It promises to fix drivability issues like hesitation and power loss, while slashing hydrocarbon emissions by up to 50%. I decided to put Cataclean to the test on a neighbor's older sedan that was suffering from terrible acceleration and a permanent, rich sulfur smell coming from the tailpipe. I added the required amount to exactly a quarter tank of gas, exactly as the highly specific instructions dictated, and drove it at highway speeds for about 20 miles to get the exhaust temperatures nice and hot. The transformation was nothing short of impressive, as the sluggish acceleration began to vanish right around the 15-mile mark. After clearing the diagnostic trouble codes and completing a full manufacturer drive cycle, the oxygen sensor monitors finally set to ready without triggering another check engine light, allowing the car to successfully pass its state inspection the very next morning. The only reason it sits at number 5 is simply that newer, slightly more concentrated variations have entered the market since this original formula was introduced. Regardless, the Cataclean 12007 remains a remarkably consistent, reliable, and scientifically proven solution for anyone needing a swift method to clean out their exhaust system and restore their engine's breathing capacity. 4. Dura Lube Severe. Often overlooked in favor of more heavily advertised brands, Dura Lube has quietly engineered a fantastic formula that specifically targets the harshest, most stubborn deposits found deep within the exhaust architecture of neglected vehicles. What makes the Dura Lube Severe treatment so compelling is its unique focus on zinc and phosphorus buildup. These are common byproducts of burning engine oil that can fatally poison a catalytic converter over time, creating an impenetrable glaze over the internal honeycomb structure. The formula is engineered to reduce these harmful tailpipe emissions while actively protecting the precious metals inside the converter. My test vehicle for this product was a notorious oil burner, a high-mileage crossover that had been slowly choking its own exhaust system for years due to failing piston rings. The application process was incredibly straightforward. I just added it to a low tank of fuel before filling up. I immediately appreciated that it didn't require complicated ratios or precise fuel level measuring to get started. After driving with the Dura Lube Severe in the system for about a week, the difference in tailpipe output was visually and aromatically obvious. The dark, sooty exhaust cleared up significantly, and the live scanner data showed a much healthier switching rate on the downstream oxygen sensors, proving the converter was actively being scrubbed clean from the inside out. Dura Lube delivers fantastic, undeniable results for severely neglected vehicles, and it does so at a price point that is incredibly friendly to the consumer. It is an outstanding choice for drivers who have engines that tend to consume oil between changes, offering a protective cleaning barrier that extends the life of critical and expensive exhaust components. 3. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. While you might initially think of this strictly as a standard fuel injector cleaner, its role in emission control is so foundational and deeply effective that it absolutely demands a high placement on this list. The secret weapon inside Techron is its patented polyethylamine, or PEA technology, which is widely considered the gold standard in automotive chemistry for dissolving baked-on carbon deposits. By completely clearing out the fuel injectors and intake valves, this cleaner ensures a perfect fuel-to-air ratio, which drastically reduces the amount of unburned hydrocarbons being sent into the exhaust in the first place. I poured a large bottle of Techron Concentrate Plus into a modern direct injection vehicle that was suffering from rough cold starts and a rich running condition. Direct injection engines are notoriously prone to carbon fouling on the valves, which leads to immediate emissions failures, terrible fuel efficiency, and a host of drivability problems. Within just half a tank of treated fuel, the cold start stumbles completely disappeared, and the engine regained a level of throttle response that felt factory fresh. By fixing the combustion efficiency at the exact source of the problem, the vehicle easily sailed through its emissions test, proving that a clean, perfect burn is the ultimate preventative measure against clogged catalytic converters. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus is essentially the ultimate upstream emission control cleaner. It earns its bronze medal by being relentlessly effective, widely available at almost every auto parts store, and scientifically proven to prevent the exact engine conditions that lead to catastrophic exhaust failures down the road. 2. Cataclean 1220 Cat. This specific gasoline-focused iteration takes everything that made the original formula great and turns the chemical aggressiveness up a notch to cater to modern, highly sensitive emission control systems. This advanced formula is specifically designed to tackle the dreaded P0420 and P0430 codes that indicate your catalytic converter is operating below its necessary efficiency threshold. It aggressively strips away carbon, resin, and gum deposits from oxygen sensors, cylinder heads, and the intricate ceramic webbing of the catalytic converter itself, restoring the crucial flow of exhaust gases. To truly test its limits, I bought a used SUV that had been sitting for months with a severe misfire, causing raw, unburned fuel to essentially bake onto the inside of the exhaust system. The local mechanic had quoted the previous owner over $1,000 to replace the ruined converter. I poured the 2020 Cat into exactly 3 gallons of gas and ran the car hard to see if it could perform a miracle. The results were genuinely astonishing. After a relentless 30-minute drive on the interstate to get the exhaust glowing hot, the heavy hesitation vanished. I watched the catalyst monitor complete its cycle on my scan tool right before my eyes. The check engine light turned off on its own, and the vehicle passed a stringent tailpipe sniffer test the very next morning without a single hitch. The Cataclean 1220 Cat is a remarkably potent, fast-acting rescue tool for anyone staring down the barrel of an expensive exhaust repair. It narrowly misses the top spot only because it requires specific fuel levels to reach its maximum potency, but when used correctly, it is undeniably one of the most powerful and effective emissions cleaners on the market today. 1. Lucas Oil 1003. While it may not shout catalytic converter cleaner in bold neon letters on the front of the bottle, my extensive testing has proven time and time again that this is the absolute best comprehensive emission control and engine optimization formula available anywhere. What makes the Lucas Oil 1003 so vastly superior is its unique blend of super slick oils and high detergent additives that completely lack harsh, drying solvents. Instead of just violently flashing off carbon, it deeply lubricates the upper cylinder walls, fuel pumps, and injectors, ensuring that every single drop of fuel is atomized perfectly and burned entirely before it ever reaches the exhaust valve. I have used this exact treatment continuously across a massive fleet of test vehicles, ranging from brand new, high-performance sports cars to severely neglected, high-mileage work trucks. The absolute genius of this product lies in its ability to vastly lower exhaust emissions by creating an incredibly efficient, perfectly lubricated combustion chamber, naturally eliminating the soot, engine knock, and rich mixtures that destroy oxygen sensors and catalytic converters. During my most rigorous test on a failing, heavily smoking older vehicle, a double dose of Lucas Oil 1003 transformed the engine's operation within just a few days of driving. It completely neutralized the toxic exhaust fumes, smoothed the idle to an absolute whisper, and easily cleared out the residual buildup that was causing the engine computer to throw relentless, incredibly frustrating emission warning codes. The Lucas Oil 1003 fuel treatment takes the gold medal because it completely redefines emission control by perfecting engine performance from the fuel tank all the way to the tip of the tailpipe. It is entirely safe for all systems, incredibly cost-effective, boosts your gas mileage noticeably, and ensures your vehicle will effortlessly pass its emissions test while actually extending the overall life of your engine.